My name is Robert McKinnon. I'm with the law firm of McKinnon Law Group. Types of cases we handle are ERISA, insurance bad faith, mostly with respect to insurance cases and ERISA cases, which are benefit cases. We handle disability, life insurance cases, health insurance cases, accidental death and dismemberment cases, long-term care cases, pension cases, and some other types of insurance coverage work, things like professional liability cases. We have clients all the time that tell us how what we did for them has changed their life. They weren't able to afford an apartment, now they're able to pay rent. They've had to move in with family members, now they can move into their own place. They weren't able to pay their car payments, they weren't able to do a lot of things. Sometimes they're not even able to afford food. I just received a thank you letter from one of my clients, and I just want to read it quickly. Dear Bob, what you've done for me is nothing short of a miracle. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the work, care, and concern you have shown me. It saved my life, and I will forever be grateful to you and Ryan. The reason clients hire our firm, there are a lot of reasons. Our attention to detail, our reputation in the industry. We have a very solid reputation, not only in California, but everywhere in the United States. I used to represent insurance companies for 24 years. I now represent plaintiffs and claimants against insurance companies, so I know both sides. There's not very much I've never seen before. In addition, we're very aggressive. What we do is we aggressively go after our clients' claims and get recoveries for our clients, because if you don't do it aggressively, the insurance companies will run right over you. We take cases on a contingency fee basis. So you don't have the money, you hire us on a contingency fee basis, and if we don't obtain a recovery, then you don't pay us. You don't owe us anything. Sometimes what we can do for you is, in a lot of our cases, we get attorney's fees. And if we get attorney's fees, you may be able to keep 100% of your benefits. Mediators tell us that we are among the most successful firms anywhere in the country. And we post on our website testimonials and success stories. And you can take a look at that on our website. A lot of people come to us and tell us, you guys have an amazing success record. And because we take a lot of our cases to trial, if the insurance company doesn't offer the right amount of money, doesn't want to play ball with us, then we're not afraid to take them all the way. And the insurance companies are afraid of that. And so what they do is they will pay us more money in settlements. And so mediators tell us that we get the highest settlements in the state of California of any firm they're aware of. And we get that all the time. It's because we're good, we're experienced, and we're aggressive. Current and past clients will tell you that we're exceptional. We have exceptional service, we get exceptional results. All you have to do is take a look at our testimonials on our website. We have many, many testimonials, and they're fantastic, and I'm so proud of that. We also have reviews on most of the main reviewing stations like Google and Yelp and Trustpilot and other places on the web, and you'll see that we have 5-star reviews. When a client communicates with us, either by email or telephone, it is very important for us to get back to them. We understand that they're nervous about their cases, they have questions. We're there to answer those questions, and we do it well and we do it quickly. So I pride myself and my firm on our ability to get back to people. Our standard is to try to get back to everyone within 24 hours of the date of the email or the phone call. Communication is essential between our clients and ourselves, and so we strive to make that a very important part of our representation. We are a small firm, and because we're a small firm, we're agile. We can make sure that we get things done quickly. We don't have levels of regulatory detail to go through with bigger firms. A lot of times, if you have a decision that needs to be made on a case, or whether to take a client, it has to go through a panel, it has to go through higher ups at the law firm. I make those decisions, I make them right away. And because I don't have to answer to anyone else, I can take more risks if I need to on behalf of my clients. And that will inure to their benefit, because we normally will get a better result. When you hire my firm, I stay involved with your case. I stay involved with every case in your law firm. However, what I do is I will give the case for day-to-day handling to one of my attorneys. However, I'm there all the time. I'm able to answer any questions that you have. I am able to make sure that everything is done well. I supervise all of my cases and all of my attorneys. The initial consultation starts with my firm when you call or contact us to get some more information about whether we can represent you. We'll ask you a lot of questions, we'll get information from you, and then we'll decide whether or not it's a case that we can handle. If it is a case that we can handle, then what we do is we sign you up as a client. You'll sign a retainer agreement and sign some forms for us. Then we'll get your file. If it involves a claim denial, then we will get an administrative record, we will get a claim file, and we will then review that claim file, and then we'll evaluate your case. And what we'll do is we'll take a look at all aspects of the file, what the denial was based on, and how the law may impact you favorably. And then we'll call you and we'll let you know what we think about your case. And 98% of the time, we'll continue to represent you. And then at that point, we'll answer questions, and then we move into the next phase of actually implementing the action program that we have stated for you.